Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable the graph for indexing blockchain data, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official website of the graph. Click on the Get Started button to access the documentation. Ensure you have a compatible blockchain network to connect with. Set up a wallet that supports the network you plan to use. Connect your wallet to the graph dashboard. Navigate to the Subgraph Studios section in the dashboard. Click on Create New Subgraph to start building your indexer. Choose a name and description for your subgraph. Select the appropriate blockchain network from the drop-down menu. Define the data sources you want to index. Specify the APIs for the smart contracts you wish to query. Set up the GraphQL schema for your subgraph. Write mappings to transform the data from the blockchain. Ensure your mappings are correctly linked to your GraphQL schema. Test your subgraph locally to verify there are no errors. Use the deploy feature in the dashboard to publish your subgraph. Wait for the deployment process to complete. After deployment, access the subgraph's endpoint URL. Utilize this endpoint to fetch and query your index data. Monitor the indexing status in the dashboard to ensure everything operates smoothly. Adjust your mappings or queries based on the data retrieval needs as necessary. Explore the community resources for additional support and best practices. Stay updated with the graph's developments through their communication channels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.